In addition, we have some medical equipment to evaluate you. So one of the things that we can do is something called dermoscopy. And so that's basically a high definition camera with a macro lens that is placed right up against your scalp and lets us see highly detailed images of your scalp and your hair. So we can show you on a big screen the hairs that are getting miniaturized, or if you have inflammation of your scalp or a problem with the actual scalp. So it's pretty helpful to actually see that with your own eyes and understand what's going on in your scalp and with your hair. And then it makes the solution that we might recommend easier to understand, because you can actually see what we're going to be working on. So I've been doing hair procedures for both men and women for a long time. We have lots of happy customers. We've helped many people. And with all of our new technology additions, we should be able to help even more. And you're going to meet also our hair restoration director, Adrienne McDonald. So she is a nurse that has been working in the hair transplant industry for about 20 years now. We took her all the way from Italy. She actually grew up in Italy, eventually came to the United States, and has been intimately associated with the hair transplant industry for a long time. So we're very lucky to have her join our team and really make some very nice contributions to the practice.